So recently I had a former client of mine reach out to me to refinish an oak tabletop that I built for them a few years ago. So the top itself is in pretty decent condition. The only thing is it's an outside table, so the weather has taken its toll on it. And there's one thing that I want to fix before I actually do the refinish to it and return it to my client. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button, and thank you for the support. I'm not using any chemical strippers for the tabletop, just sanding it from 80 grit and up, and it does the trick.